Good morning! Welcome to the next edition of the Philippine trip. We've been here a little over a week, so been relaxing and just enjoying time with family, which is great. It's been raining on and off here since we got here, which isn't too bad, but I actually really like it. We've been to a few places here and there, so I'm going to show you that here in a bit so you guys can get a look at what's around Nagcarlan and the surrounding towns, and you know, some local stuff that you may not even have heard about. But really happy to be here, to be with family especially, so can't get any better than that. So let's get this trip going. Had a good night's sleep. We're out and about right now. We're here in Quiapo. We're gonna go visit the church just to give thanks and just walk around and see what's up. Mega Mall. Gonna grab some lunch. Good morning. to the province. It's raining. It's not as hot as being in the city, Manila, so we're gonna enjoy it quite a bit. So Mama J.
Hi.
So it's nice. Bartholomew Church. It was actually built around the 18th century, and so probably it's about maybe 400-500 years old, which is amazing that it's still around. Now the Philippines is predominantly a Catholic country, but there are denominations of Christianity as well as Muslims here as well. But it's a beautiful, beautiful church. We're gonna be here for a couple of weeks, so I'll definitely show you more of it on the coming days. Woo! It's pouring! Man. General market of the town for the wet market. Fresh produce, fresh meats, fresh fish. It's from here somewhere.
From there.
There's definitely like 2 in there at most. Okay, I'm gonna go back inside. I am getting bitten. I don't know if you can tell, it's been a bit rainy since we arrived, but it's supposed to clear up in the next day or 2. We'll see. I remember coming here maybe 10 plus years ago. When I came, I think in 2010. I think it was the last time I visited this place, and it's very different now from what I remember. leave this morning, but the sun is perfectly out. We've got the humid heat out. If you're not used to it, you get used to it pretty quickly. Alright, there you go. First week completed. This trip's going by way too quick, as it always does, but very appreciative to be with family again, and just being able to hang out with them is more than just enough for me. But sharing this adventure with you is part of it, and you guys are family friends too, so there you go. And in the meantime, if you want to see more adventures, you know what to do. Like, subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned because we got more coming up. So until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.